बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। मैं ज़ुबैर खान हूँ और आप मेरा वीलॉग देख रहे हैं।
वाई क्या इधर है? कोई बम धमाके हो रहे हैं? ये दहशतगर्द है। बिहेव योरसेल्फ एंड गेट आउट। ये मेरा प्रीमिसेस है। गेट आउट, गेट आउट। आई सेड गेट आउट। आपकी जुर्रत, आप हमारे प्रीमिसेस में आप इतनी गारत लेके आ गए।
काजी फाइजी सा तेरा शुक्रिया, तूने आज साबित किया कि लंदन की प्रॉपर्टीज हमारी नहीं। शुक्र है कि इस कौम को ऐसा जज मिला कि जिसकी अपनी जायदादें भी लंदन में हैं। शुक्र है हम ऐसे मुल्क में रहते हैं जिसकी अदालतें इंसाफ में दुनिया में 139वें नंबर पे हैं। अगर हम किसी और मुल्क में होते तो अब तक हम सब भाई लग चुके होते। शुक्र है हमें मरियम नवाज जैसी बेटी मिली जिसने बड़ी मेहनत से बेडरूम्स के अंदर कैमरे लगा लगा कर जजों की वाली वीडियोस बनाई। हमारी पार्टी के छोटे बड़े डाकुओं, शुक्र करो तुम्हें पटवारियों जैसे सपोर्टर मिले, वरना किसी मुहज्जम मुआशरे में हमें लीडर कहने की बजाय लोग जूते मारने में भी अपना वक्त जाया ना करते। शुक्र।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इय्याका नअबुदु व इय्याका नस्तईन। मेरे पाकिस्तानियों, आज मैंने आपसे 3-4 बातें करनी हैं, लेकिन मैं सबसे पहले जो अपनी बात का आगाज़ करना चाहता हूँ वो मैंने जिस चीज़ के ऊपर फैसला किया है कि नैब चेयरमैन के ऊपर मैं 15 अरब रुपए का आज हर्जाना उसके ऊपर डाल रहा हूँ अपने वकील के ज़रिए। मैंने उसको लीगल नोटिस भिजवाया।
You know, I would like her to address, because she was the Secretary of State. You know, we keep hearing this term, deep state, deep state, deep state. Who are these people?
You know, this is a term which was coined by political scientists to describe certain countries, like, for example, Pakistan, where the military and the intelligence services basically ran the country. And so you could get elected, but if they didn't like them, like what you were doing, or you crossed them, you were out. You know, maybe you'd get arrested, you'd get deported, you'd get accused of something. In one case, you'd get assassinated or executed. So it has a very particular meaning. And when it started to be used by Trump and his associates about the United States, it was so wrong-headed. And I think we've seen that in the impeachment. Who are they maligning? They're maligning career military. They're maligning career foreign service officers. They're maligning civil servants. These are the people who run government from administration to administration.
And you know these people.
I know these people. And you know what? They are not all Democrats. They are conservative. They are liberal. They are Republican. They are Democrat. But they put country first.
That's what I was going to say. They're patriots.
Yes.
We need to honor them.
And they are not in any way plotting against the president, but they do have an obligation, like the whistleblower saw, when they see something that is an abuse of power. And let's not mince words. Trump was trying to bribe the president of Ukraine to take action by announcing the beginning of an investigation on an unfounded theory against his domestic political opponent for his own personal and political gain. I mean, you
couldn't write a novel like this.
You can't make it up.
It's
Who
crazy.
would ever think anybody would do that?